Today we're grilling a showstopper, shotgun prime rib on the big green egg.
A shotgun prime rib is a prime rib surrounded by half-cut femurs, which act as a heat barrier and marinates the meat in delicious bone marrow. We'll liberally season the prime rib on all sides. Today, we're using Big Green Egg Classic Steakhouse. And don't forget to season those bones. We'll tie off the first bone, vertically stack the bones around the prime rib, wrap tightly, and tie it off. Once secure, we'll add 2 more wraps. Then onto the grill. We'll grill at 250 degrees to an internal temperature of 115 degrees. On to the next step. We'll remove our prime rib, remove and stack our bones, and we'll let it rest for a half an hour to an hour.
Meat's rusted, let's get that final sear.
We're grilling directly over the flames on all sides for that final sear and to develop that tasty crust. This prime rib is moist, tender, and cuts like butter.
So good.